What's up internet, welcome back. I'm Manish from RebellionRider.com and I'm back once again with another short and crispy SQL tutorial. And today's SQL tutorial is about decode function in Oracle database. Decode function is an old way to perform if then else logic in Oracle database. It's old but is still supported by latest version of Oracle database. But it's always recommended to use case over decode for various reasons, such as case expression is easy to read in comparison to decode function. And using decode you can only perform equality tests, while using case you can perform various logical tests. This means that in case expression you can use logical operators, while same is not true with decode. Also, case expression is supported by PL SQL, while decode is only supported by SQL. And case falls under ANSI SQL/92 standard, where decode is Oracle proprietary. Let's quickly take a look at decode function syntax. Decode is a function, thus followed by decode keyword we have parenthesis, and within parenthesis we have four parameters, which are value, search value, result, and default value. Decode function compares the value with search value. If they match, then decode function returns the result. Otherwise, default value is returned. Let's use this function in some queries and try to better understand the concept of decode in Oracle database. First, let me connect to my database using my local HR user. And like always, let me quickly show you the user. As you can see right now, I'm connected to my database using my HR user. So let's close this script output. Also delete this query. Okay, first I will do a very simple query just to make you understand the concept. So let's write the query. This is just a dummy query to make you understand the concept. The output of this query will be the value returned from decode function. And as we can see, our decode function has four parameters, in which first two parameters are string which are exactly the same, and the third parameter is our result, which will get returned only when our first two parameters match. In case if they don't, then our fourth parameter gets returned. Now, what will happen on executing this query? On executing this query, Oracle Engine will try to compare the first two parameters with each other. In order to return the true result, these two strings need to be exactly the same. If in case these strings don't match, then Oracle Engine will return the false result, which is our default or say else result. Let's execute this query. And here we go. The true result as expected. Now let's change the capital S of our search string with a small s and let's see what happens. Let's once again execute this query. As you can see, this time our result is false because though both these strings are the same, but they both have different case. Similarly, you can compare numbers too. Now let's move on to our second query. But before that, let me close this query result. There you go. Now for the demonstration, I have created a table by the name of guess the capitals. Let me show you. As you can see, this table has two columns, country name and capital ID. Yes, instead of writing the names of the capitals, I have put the capital IDs here. Now it's our task to guess the capital of the country on the basis of capital ID using decode function. I have also populated this table. Let me show you. 5 rows of data. First column have 5 different countries name and second column has some IDs. Let's write the query now. But before that, let's close this query result and this script output also. Okay, let's write the query. Let's move this query slightly up so that you people can see it clearly. Okay, here we go. The output of this query will be of 3 columns. First will be the country name, second will be the capital ID, and the third one will be the result returned from decode function. Let's take a look at the decode function. In this decode function, we have few strings here. String on the left side is our search value, and the string on our right side is our output result. On executing this query, Oracle Engine will compare these search value with the values stored in the capital ID column of our table guess the capital. If Oracle Engine finds any match, then it will return the corresponding result. Otherwise, it will return the default result or say else result, which in our case is a string sorry. For a better understanding, let's execute this query. Here is our result. Capital of India is Delhi and capital of UK is London, and so on. Hope this video helped you learn something new. Please hit the like button to support this video. You can also share this video on your social network and help me reach out to more people. A very hearty thanks for all your love and support. I'll be back with another short and crispy SQL tutorial very soon. Till then, take care. See you soon. I'm your friend Manish.